Hey guys, Roger here. So right as I made this video talking about how to get 100% financing, because I've been getting so many calls, emails, and questions about getting 100% financing, which basically means you need very little to nothing down, like 1 to maybe 2% as a down payment when you buy a house. So prepared the video, had it ready, and then I get an email from my rep at my bank saying that the 100% financing program is currently going to be on hold because of Corona. And although it's going to be on hold, this program's been around for like 10 years and it's going to be back. So enjoy the video, learn about it. So as soon as it does come back, you could take advantage of it. All right, see you guys later. Hey guys, how you doing? Roger here with Vantage Realty and Home Loans, and in today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about a loan program that you may not even knew existed before today. So if you're a first-time home buyer, or even if you're not a first-time home buyer, this program is something that could definitely help you on your next home purchase. All right, guys, so I know 100% financing may seem like something that was available in the past and it doesn't exist anymore, but that's simply not true. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about a home loan program that you can use to buy a house with 100% financing. Yes, that's right. You heard me correctly. No down payment, 100% financing. So if that's something you're interested in, keep watching. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be coming out with loan programs like this in the next few weeks. So you definitely don't want to miss out on other loan programs that may benefit you if you're thinking of buying a house in the near future. So the name of the program that I'm going to talk about today is called the CAL HFA program. So basically it's a combination loan. So it's a first loan that's an FHA loan, and it's a second loan that is the CAL HFA. So when you're buying a house and you're getting an FHA loan, you're going to put 3.5% as a down payment. Okay. So this program is like a combination with an FHA loan where the CAL HFA loan covers the other 3.5%, offering you 100% financing. So some of the requirements if you're going to get this combination loan is, first of all, you have to find a loan officer or mortgage company that offers this program. So you're going to have to do some Googling, or you can click the link in the description to schedule a call with me. I have a lender that offers this program, so I can talk to you more about it if you'd like. But the first requirement with this program is you have to have a minimum credit score of 680. Okay, so if you use the apps like Credit Karma or use your Bank of America, Wells Fargo, whatever, and they give you your credit score, just so you know, those are not always accurate. So you want to have a professional mortgage broker or loan officer actually check your official credit score. I had a client 2 weeks ago who was ready to buy a house. Her and her husband had been working for several years. They had a little bit of money saved and they wanted to take advantage of this program. We checked their credit and they're in the high 500s. So there is a way to get your credit score up if it's below 680, and your loan officer or mortgage broker should have some tools or simulators that can help you, give you direction on like what debt you need to pay off to get your credit score up. So that's what I did with these clients. I have a simulator which says, hey, if you paid off these debts and you paid off these credit card balances to this level, then your score would go up over 680. So your loan officer should have something that can help you do that, but definitely check your credit officially with a mortgage broker because these apps are just not accurate. I've seen them be off by as much as 50 or 60 points. These apps can be helpful to have an idea, but they're not official. So the other really cool thing about this program is it's available if you're a first-time home buyer or if you're not a first-time home buyer. So if you've already bought a property in the past, or you currently own a house, but you're looking to buy another house, you may still qualify. So it's not only for first-time home buyers. So that's a really cool thing about this program. Another requirement with this loan program is the maximum debt to income ratio is 43%. Okay. So I'm just going to give you a really easy example to kind of figure out how you can figure out if your debt to income ratio would be under 43%. Okay. So let's say you're making $10,000 a month, okay? And the bank's always using your gross income, not your net, okay? So if you get paid $5,000 on the 1st and then $5,000 on the 15th, you make $10,000 a month. All of your debt cannot be more than 43%, which would be $4,300. So if you have a car payment, credit card, student loans, and then you also have to factor in the new mortgage, all of your debt together cannot be more than $4,300 or 43% based on whatever your income is. So another reason you want to talk to a loan officer is we have a software that can plug in all the numbers and do the calculating, or you can figure it out yourself. You can take the purchase price of your home that you're looking to buy. You know, today's rates are around 3 to 4%. So you can do your own calculations to try to figure out, with the new mortgage, what's our debt to income ratio. So that is a hard line. If it's 43.01, you will not qualify. So definitely want to make sure those numbers are in order. Another requirement with this program is they actually make you do a home buyer education course. It's an 8-hour course and it costs $99. So in order to qualify for this program, you have to do it. You have to take the first time home buyer education course, and it's 8 hours of your day. It's $100, but definitely worth your while because you're getting 100% finance. So the type of properties that are approved for this program is a single family house, and it can only be 1 unit. So when you're getting an FHA loan, you can get a 1 to 4 unit and utilize the FHA program. But for this particular program, the CAL HFA, it can only be a 1 unit single family house or an approved condo. Okay, so it can work for a condo as well. However, getting a condo approved for FHA is kind of a struggle. If you're interested in using an FHA program for a condo, leave a comment below, put FHA condo in the comments. And if I get enough comments, I can make a video and talk more about how to get a condo and how to get it FHA approved. All right, another requirement to keep in mind is the maximum sale price is $795,000. So the home that you're buying cannot be more than $795,000. All right, and the final requirement to get this combination first and second with an FHA and a CAL HFA, I know it's a little bit confusing, but it's a combination loan. One of the last requirements is there are income limits. Okay, so you cannot be making a lot of money and qualify for this program, but let me just give you guys a couple of examples of what the maximum income is for these loans. So if you live in LA County, which is where I am, the maximum combined income is $144,000. So when I say combined, I'm referring to if there's a husband and wife or a borrower and co-borrower. The combined income cannot be more than $144,000. Okay, so if you make under 144, you qualify for this program. If you're in San Francisco, the maximum income is $228,000. That's just kind of crazy when you look at these numbers, because if you're making $144,000 if you're living in LA, or you're making, $228,000 if you're living in San Francisco, there's really no reason you should be doing 100% financing. If you're making $150,000, you should be able to save a little money and at least do a 5% down loan. But there are income limits for this program. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description so that you can go to the website and see what the income limit is for your county. And again, regardless of whatever county you're in, the limits are pretty high. So you shouldn't have, if you're looking for 100% financing, chances are you're probably going to be under these limits because they're set really, really high. All right, guys, so I'm going to be coming out with videos like this in the coming weeks, other loan programs that you're definitely not going to want to miss out on. So hit the subscribe button to be notified of my next video. If you're a first-time home buyer, and even if you're not, even if you've already bought a home in the past, looking to buy another home, there's so many programs that most people are not aware of. So I want to bring that information to you guys. So hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to make sure to be notified the next time I release a video like this. So thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer them. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. next time.